To do this trend, open any editing application you have. I'm using VN editing application for this trend. If you want this editing application, then you can easily download from Play or App Store. Now go to New Project and add your 11 photos. You can also do this trend with more than 11 photos if you want. Now after this, delete the end part of the video, which is basically the default VN logo. Now after this, add audio. If you don't have the audio, then you can get the audio from the link given below in the description. Now after this, trim all photos to this time duration. You can use the trim option to set the duration of the photos, and like that you can do for all other photos. The duration which I'm showing you on screen is for the shorter version of the reel. With this duration, your reel will be around 13 to 14 seconds. If you want to make your reel around 25 seconds, then you can follow this duration. Now, after setting all photos to their respective duration, now it's time to add text. If you know that the trend tagline is my only 10 on 10 photos, so I'll add that. Or if you have any other better prompt to add in it, you can add that too, there's no problem. So now, after adding the text, apply the text layer till the end of first photo so that it won't appear on rest of the photos. Now after doing this, all check your video and then export. And now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.